Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Now select Pair New Device and tap on one of the available ones that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to Connected Device and tap on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!